Hello, welcome. This is construction software using .NET technology. It has three modules: documentation project, management project, and receivables. First one is documentation project. Enter username and password. After successfully login, we get these modules. First one is master project details. We get data already saved. This is project details. Select project name. Press F1 and enter the details. Then save. This is customer details. Press F1 and select the customer. Then save it. Here user rights. Select username and select option read, write, delete and all. Then save it. This is login allocation screen. Username and password. If it is change username and password, we can change using this screen. This is legal template. Select master project and project name. Then browse. Taking sale deed file attachment and file and sale deed agreement file. Here here flat first template. Select master project name, browse and take sale deed and builders agreement template. Here we have viewed plot and flat template. If it is okay, click OK option. Here flat final date template. Select master project name, project name. If it is correct, click OK option. Then close. This is plot and flat details. Select master project name, click below the grid view, appropriate fields coming. Here flat boundaries, north by, south by, east by, west by. Here we have measured how much land is here. Then enter preamble details and vendor details. Then save. This is flat details. Select master project name. Select project name. The appropriate values are filled. Click vendor and preamble details. Enter vendor details and preamble details using the screen. Then save. This is administrator. Select master project name. Project name. Administrator can view this screen. If it is correct, click below the checked. This is flat details. Select master project name, and view the preamble details. If it is okay, click. Select master project name and the project name. If it is changes is here, we can change. If it is okay, put okay. Then this is flat template. Select master project name, the data are correct. We can view sale deed and builders agreement data and close. Select master project name, flat number, customer name. Any correction in documentation we can change using the screen. This is admin flat. Select master project name, select project name, flat number and customer name. Here we can view the sale deed and builders agreement document. If any correction is here there, we can change. Next we go to documentation. It has legal documentation details select master project name, flat number. Data are coming. Then preview, click preview. If it is correct, click save and upload. The data are saved from previous details. This is legal documentation details for flat. Select master project name, the appropriate values are coming. Put save and upload. The data are